In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize a blog in Systemi.io. First, go ahead and log into your Systemi.io account. Once you're on the main dashboard, move your cursor to the top menu and look for the option called Sites. Hover over it, and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From that drop-down, click on Blogs. This will take you to the Blogs section, where you'll manage all your blog projects. In the top right corner of this page, click on the Create button. A pop-up window will open. Here, you'll set up the basic details of your blog. Start by entering a name for your blog. This is usually something that reflects your brand or topic. Next, you'll see a field for the domain name. Often, this will already be set to your default Systemi.io domain, especially if you haven't connected a custom domain yet. Below that, add a URL path, which is simply the extension that comes after the domain. Then choose a blog template from the options provided. Take a moment to pick a layout that fits the style you're going for, because it will determine the initial structure and look of your blog. Once everything looks good, click Save at the bottom of the pop-up. Now wait a moment for the page to load. Your new blog will appear in the list of blogs. Click on it to open it. Depending on the template you selected, your blog might already include some sample blog posts, pages, and categories. To see what's inside each of these, use the tabs at the top of the screen. Click on Posts to view your articles, Pages for additional site pages, and Categories to see how content is organized. If you want to manage a specific item, for example, a page or a post, look to the right side of that item and click the 3 horizontal dots. This opens a small menu where you can choose to view, edit, duplicate, schedule, open settings, deactivate, or delete that blog post or page. To create a brand new blog post, click the Create button at the top right of the posts list. A pop-up will appear where you can enter the blog title, a short description, a URL path, upload an image, and choose which category the post belongs to. When you're done, click Save at the bottom. You'll find very similar options available when you create or manage pages and categories. To edit an existing blog post, just click directly on its title in the list. This will open the blog post editor. Inside the editor, you'll see a live preview of your blog post on the right side. On the left sidebar, you'll find all the elements and blocks you can add, such as text, images, and other design components. When you select an element or block in the preview, its editing and styling options will show up in that left sidebar. Take your time adjusting fonts, colors, spacing, and content until you're happy with how everything looks. And remember, whenever you make changes, always click the Save button at the top right to make sure your work is stored.